If you need to change or add a site title to a page within Squarespace, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It's quick, it's easy, so stick close and let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to go ahead and do is look for pages. And once you're in pages, make sure that you're on your home page. You're going to go up to the top and you're going to click on edit. And here you will be able to, right at the top, if you see on the left hand side, it says your site title. Now, this is the header of your page. Okay, now once you hover your cursor over this section, you will see a little pop-up that says edit site header. Once you click on this, everything within here will be editable. So your navigation bars, what is your language, switch, and then on the left, your site title and logo. Once you click on it, you'll have the little pencil icon. You're going to click on the pencil icon. Here, you're going to change your site title. You can go ahead and make it whatever it is that you would like. This is going to show up in search results as well as on a browser when somebody's in your website. So make sure that it counts. Make sure that it is related to your website and your business.